Hi guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure. And today we're going to make a bottle xylophone. Let's get started. 6 glass cups, food coloring, water, a popsicle stick or a chopstick. We're going to put water in the cups, different amounts. This one will have a little bit. This one will have a little bit more. This one will have a little bit more. Now we're going to put our food coloring. So we put our food coloring in, then we mix. I made this all by myself, and since that little dude taught me how to make this, now I can play music. Oh, you're still here. I hope you liked this video. It was very fun. And if you did, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time at 4Kids Daily Adventure. Bye!